Getting an unable to share error when using Airdrop on your iPhone. This can happen because of network problems, compatibility issues, or device settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the unable to share error on Airdrop. Let's go through some simple solutions to get Airdrop working again. Solution 1. Restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Go to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, toggle Wi-Fi off, then back on. Go back, tap on Bluetooth, toggle Bluetooth off, then back on. Reopen Airdrop and check if the error persists. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to toggle it off from here. Solution 3. Enable Airdrop from Settings for both devices. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Select Airdrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make Airdrop visible and available to all nearby Apple devices. Check if Airdrop now appears in Control Center or Settings. Now check again. Solution 4. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down, tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone. Sign back into your Apple ID. Try Airdrop again after signing back in. Solution 5. Update iOS. Go to Settings, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, update it. After updating, test Airdrop again. These steps should help fix the unable to share error in Airdrop on your iPhone. If this guide was useful, make sure to subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.